Hi, welcome back to my channel, Hairology with Kelly Carroll. And today we are going to be learning about the color wheel. It's a fantastic way to introduce students to learning about their colors. Using vanilla wafers and vanilla frosting and food coloring, I replicated a color wheel. All of the students get to participate. They all get to create their colors. And then they get to put them on a paper plate on top of some lovely vanilla wafers. And of course, it's never too bad when they get to eat their project. So as you see, as we're going through the video, that there are some neat ones and there are some little heavy on the frosting ones. But overall, what you can tell is from the three primary colors of red, yellow, and blue, they have created all their secondary and their tertiary colors. So they are learning what is opposite on the color wheel also to be their complementary colors. So just enjoy, get some ideas. I really think it helps my class. They enjoy it and I love to do it and they sure love eating it. Thanks. Please like and subscribe.